Hello everyone. Last time I explained you about the parallelogram law of vectors. Now let me tell you about the scalar product of any two vectors. So, the scalar product of two vectors is basically states that if a bar and b bar are any two vectors, then their scalar product or dot product, so it is also known as dot product, is defined as this expression. So if there is a body and a vector a bar acts on it and a vector b bar acts on it, and the angle between them is theta, then the dot product of a bar and b bar is equal to ab cos theta. So you can see the dot here does not mean multiplication. If it were to mean multiplication, then just ab. But it is a dot product, it's just a dot and it's used to represent such kind of a result. So a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta. So you might wonder, where is this even used? So it is used to calculate work done. So you might be knowing work done is equal to force into displacement, Fs. But that is not fully correct. It is actually equal to the dot product of force and displacement. So F bar dot S bar, which is equal to Fs cos theta, which we have gotten from this. So normally we take bodies and we apply force, let's say F, and we displace with some S displacement. So here the force and the displacement are parallel to each other, right? So the angle between them is 0 degrees. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So Fs. So that is why it's usually taken Fs, because usually they tell us to calculate force done, work done by the applied force. So if there is an object, I push it, so it displaces in the direction I applied the force. However, in few cases, for example, they ask us to calculate work done by the gravitational force. So the gravitational force will be mg. So then the angle will become 90 between them. So cos 90 will be 0, so work done will be 0. So there are many different cases in which the angle between the angle between the force and the displacement are going to be different, and that is how the work done is also going to vary. So basically, once revising, dot product of or scalar product is a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta, and it is also used, one way it is used is in the work done formula. So work done is dot product of force and displacement Fs cos theta. So that is basically about the scalar product or dot product of any two vectors. So I hope you have understood something and you have gotten a fair idea about this topic. So thank you.